dance. I've been teaching dance for about 22 years now, and I believe that those 22 years of intense dancing, performing, really wreaked final havoc on my knees. My life was hell. I could not teach. I could only walk backwards down the stairs. I had to have 2 crutches to help me move. And so I opted for stem cell injections. It just took 1 injection. And I'm telling you what, I can run down the stairs now. I am playing basketball. I am going to the gym almost every day and squatting. I don't know what I would have done if I didn't have the stem cell injections. My life would be a lot different now if this was not a possibility. So thank you.
That's Edie. Let me tell you a little something about Edie. I remember I'm the one that actually worked with her. She came into our clinic. She was on crutches. She was just heartbroken. You know, she's Edie the salsa freak. She's a world-renowned salsa instructor, and she couldn't teach her classes anymore. Within a couple months of receiving stem cell injections in her knee, she was able to regain full usage of her knees, throw her crutches away, and get back to doing what she loves best. And that's what we care most about at Colorado Medical Solutions. My name is Dr. Jones. I'm the CEO, and I'm so excited that you're contemplating coming into our clinic and learning more about stem cell and regenerative medicine therapies. So quit procrastinating, click that button, and we'll see you guys when you come in. Thank you so much.